friends, today's video for 9th class subjects Science and Technology English Medium. Chapter 9 Environmental Management. Let's try to learn. Today's main points are solid waste management need of our. Can you tell? Try this. Observe and discuss. Can you tell? Make a list and discuss. Biodegradable waste and last non-biodegradable waste. First, solid waste management need of our. Can you tell what is meant by pollution? Pollution is the phenomenon of contamination of environment either due to the human activity or due to the natural processes. Second, in which different ways do our surroundings gets polluted. The air, water, soil are the ecosystems polluted due to the various reasons. Poisonous gases, toxic particulate matters released to atmosphere causes air pollution. Many toxic substances released on lands as well as on water bodies. These result in the contamination and pollution of soil and water. Sometimes unwanted sounds causes sound pollution. The radioactive substances released to the atmosphere causes radioactive pollutants. Observe this diagram. Try this. Solid waste. There is a paper, plastic cans, plastic bottles, breaking glass. And there is a sign which shows 3 R mantras. Observe the garbage collected in the dustbin of your classroom and make a list of various materials in it. Discuss with teacher how these materials can be properly disposed of. Can we do the same with the garbage generated in our house? Think about it. Observe and discuss. See in the first picture. This is the area of garbage on bus stand, and in the second picture, clean area of bus stand. What is the main difference between what we see in the two pictures alongside? First pictures, there is a lot of garbage on the bus stand, and second picture is a very clean area. Second, what should we do to permanently maintain the condition in the second picture, that is the P picture? We implemented various programs of solid waste management and educating and encouraging the society, family in this regard. Avoiding use and throw type of articles like pens, cans, plastic cups, cold drinks, Tetra packs. These should be strictly avoided. Many wastes. Do you know, many waste materials are generated through the various daily human activities. This is called solid waste. If these waste materials are properly disposed of, they can be a valuable source of energy. Currently, solid waste is a serious worldwide problem as it causes both water and soil pollution. Solid waste is also a serious problem from the point of view of economic growth, environmental degradation and health. It has posed a serious threat to the nature and human habitat because of air, water and soil pollution it causes. Do you know the garbage production per day? Solid waste generated in the main metro cities of the state is approximately as follows. Mumbai 5,000 tons, Pune 1,700 tons, Nagpur 900 tons. On 26 July 2005, a serious flood calamity had arisen in Mumbai. Improper solid waste management was one of the main reasons behind that calamity. So, we see that accumulation of solid waste can lead to various calamities. Next, can you tell what is meant by solid waste? It is the unwanted matter or unwanted things which we do not want longer, and such substances thrown away. This is the waste. What are the different things included in the solid waste. There are different things such as domestic waste, industrial waste, that is waste dumped out from factory, electronic waste like unused cell phones, etc. Biomedical waste from hospitals. We make use of many articles in our daily life and they are different types, and these articles if not properly disposed it causes the environmental pollution. They are the different kinds. Some of them are reusable, but others have to be discarded. However, if they are not properly disposed of, it affects the environment adversely. Next, we see the list. Make a list and discuss. There is a classification of waste. First is the domestic waste. Source of domestic waste: waste food, paper, plastic paper, plastic bags, vegetable waste, fruit skins, glass and sheet metal articles, etc. Second type is the industrial waste generated from the factories. These are the chemicals, pigments, sludge, ash, metals, etc. Hazardous waste, that is chemicals generated in the various industries, radioactive materials, explosives, infectious materials, etc. Farm waste: leaves, flower, branches of trees, crop residue like straw, animal urine and dung, pesticides, remains of various chemicals and fertilizers, etc. Electronic waste: non-functional TV sets, cell phones, music systems, computers and their parts, etc. Next is the biomedical waste: bandages, dressings, gloves, needles, saline bottles, medicine bottles, test tubes, body parts, blood, etc. from clinics, hospitals, blood banks and laboratories. Urban waste: waste generated through household industries and large commercial and industrial establishment, carry bags, glass, metal pieces and rods, threads, rubber, paper, cans from shops, vegetables and meat market, construction waste, etc. Radioactive waste: radioactive materials like strontium 10, cerium 141, barium 140 and heavy water, etc. generated from atomic energy plants, uranium mines, atomic research centers, nuclear weapons testing sites. Mining waste: these are the remains of heavy metals like lead, arsenic, cadmium, etc. from the mines. Think about it. Into which two categories can the waste materials in the list above be classified? Some are biodegradable waste and some are non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste: this type of waste is easily degraded by microbes. It mainly includes kitchen waste like spoiled food, fruits, vegetables, ash, soil, dung, part of plants, etc. This waste is mainly of organic type and is also called wet solid waste or wet garbage. If it is carefully decomposed, we can get compost and fuel of good quality from it. Such biofuel projects have been started in many cities. Next type of waste is non-biodegradable waste. This type of waste is not easily degraded because it requires a very long period of time and the use of various techniques. It includes plastic, metal and other similar materials. This type of waste is also called dry waste, dry solid waste or dry garbage. Thank you.